Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Prerna teacher and I am teaching you English subject. In last lecture we have studied about this and that. In this and that we have studied this we will use for the singular object that is near to us, and that we are using to show the singular object that is far from us. Now, our today's topic is these and those. These is used to say and show the things that are more than one and that are near. In this, we have studied the same, the object that is singular and near, and these, in this and these, the similar is near objects. The similar thing is near objects. In this, the object should be singular, and in these the objects are more, but the same concept is of the things that are near. Okay, and that and those, that is used to show the objects that are far, and in those the objects are far but more than one. For example, we will see the example for these. I have a packet of bindi. The packet is one, but the object here is bindi. Now, how many bindis are there? There are more bindis. There is no singular object. There is no one bindi. There are more bindis. Okay, so there are more bindis, but the object is near. So we will use here these. THESE, these. And how we will say it? These are bindis. These are bindis. Okay, so this was the example for these. See, now I am having pencils in my hand. I am having pencils in my hand. How many pencils I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The objects are more, but they are near. So I will say these are pencils. These are pencils. So this was the example for these. Now those, the objects that are more but they are far. They are far. So how we will say, if we can see a tree, we will say that is a tree. But for more trees, what we will say? Those are trees. Those 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees are there. So we will say those are trees. There should be a pointing finger because they are far. If we can see many vehicles passing through the road, there are 5 cars. They are going in a line. So what we will say, because they are far, we can't go and touch it. So we'll say those are cars. Those are cars. So this was the example for those and these. These we will use for near objects and the objects are more, and those we will use for the far objects, but the objects should be more. In this and that there is singular object, and for these and those there are more than one object. So these both are related to each other. This and that, these and those. These are the topics that we have studied. Okay, so clear with the topic? Thank you.